Hello guys, welcome to another class on security accounting. In this topic, we'll be learning how to create a customer, how to set up customer. The first thing you need to do is to go to maintain, click on maintain. Now you see customer slash prospect. Click on prospect. Wait for it to load. So the next thing for you to do is to create customer. Let's say, for instance, we want to register a new customer. So, and the name of the customer is Jubaili Bros. Jubaili. Firstly, maybe Jubaili Bros Limited. Now, what you need to do here is whatever you use for the customer ID, also use this for the name. Copy it and also paste in the name. You can see it now. The account number is there. You can put the account number of the of the customer. Probably this account number may be a kind of a serial number you give to each customer. Let's say for this customer we are giving 1002, and subsequently to increase from, it will start again. The next customer you create may be 1003 and 1004, as you continue to create them like that. So the next one is billing address. The billing address is the address of the customer. Let's use plots 45 equals road. The billing address of the customer, city Lagos, country Nigeria. So I think that's all we need to do here. Let's go to contacts. Do you really need to fill anything here? No, not really. Let's look at address. No. Customer history. When you start dealing with the customer, a lot of things will appear here, like sales and receipts. The history of the customer will appear here. But past transactions that you have with them will continue to appear. That's why it is called the history of the customer as at this particular date. The next one is the sales info. In the sales info, you discover that Sage has already linked an income account to this particular customer. It is domiciled here. Whenever you are opening an account for that, it is sales income. You can see it now. So move there. So what else again? Just ensure that anytime you create accounts for a customer, your GL must be sales income. This is very, very important, so that to be easy for you to trace the customer receivable. The next one is the payment and credit. Payment and credit. You can see that the customer's address is already here, as we already registered in the general. One of the things to do here is to use default these terms and credits. You can customize your customer's terms based on personal relationship, based on the agreements you have with them. If you want a customer to maybe if it's a prepaid customer, you can enter prepaid customer. That is, the customer must pay before service. If it's a customer that when you offer service, maybe be doing party, that you can click here. So whatever terms and credits you want, you can customize for that customer here. But for here, let's choose a cash on delivery. That is, the customer must pay before service. So let's move to this place also. In this credit limit, it shows that what credit limit do you want to give to this customer? Is it maybe 1 million units of goods, or 1 million quantity of goods? If it's 1 million quantity of goods, you just put here whatever quantity. What it means is that once it exceeds 1 million, the Sage will notify you whether you still want to continue or not. So notify. Do you want Sage to notify you, or always notify you? So let's Sage notify you when you exist when you cross this particular limit, once again, after you finish everything, you go to your general, you check and ensure that everything is properly done. Then what do? You save. Now, why do save and new again? If you save and new, it means that when you're creating another customer, you can save and the icon will open for you to create another customer. So the next customer will be creating again is VDT communication. Now, VDT communication limited, I think is more. Let me use VDT communication limited. Just copy like this and paste it. So formerly we use 1002. Here we use 1003. Let's say the billing address is a code. Let's say Idejo, Damola, Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. So you can put the telephone number. So let's move to contact address. You don't need to do anything here. Address, history, sales info. Like I told you earlier on, every customer that you open, the GL for the customer, security has already attacked the GL for every customer. You can see it here. It's 4,000. There has to be a drop down here. What is happening here? It's network issue. There's always a drop down that must come out here. This drop down will show it will show income, because Sage always link this to every customer that let's move on. It is 4,000, and what is in that 4,000? The chart of account in that 4,000 is sales income. So like I said, in the payment, let's move to the payment and credits. In the payment and credits, you can decide to adjust it to based on customer, based on relationship with customer and agreement. So here, there must always be a default. There is always a kind of default terms, but you can also customize. The previous one we did, we use a cash on delivery. Here, let's use prepaid, that the customer must pay before service. And let's change this one to, let's say, 500,000. And notify if we cross the limits of the quantity of goods we are supposed to supply them. After that, you go back to general and save. Now, if you want to know, want to just have a review of everything, your customer list, just go to list here and see what we just registered now. Dubai Bros Limited and VDT Communication. And see, okay, we did not put phone number. And you can go and you can edit and put phone number there. Let's put phone number. So save. Let's go back to our list. You can see phone number is now there. So if the customer has a balance, to show here. Right now, the customer has no balance, as we just registered the company in Sage. So guys, this is how to open a new customer in Sage 50 accounting. See you in the next class.